Welcome to the Universidad de Santa Isabel College of Health Science Medical Technology Program, where we seek the truth, love knowledge, and serve with humility.
Medical technology is an emerging field of health sciences that wields the power of technology in identifying diseases to help in its diagnosis, treatment, and prevention. Medical technologies, therefore, are critical in healing the sick. That is why 11 years ago, the College of Medical Technology was established. And today, the USI College of Medical Technology continues to fulfill its mission to you, future medtechs, to give you the necessary attitude, knowledge, and skills to become a true Vincentian Medical Technologist, who not only possesses extensive laboratory skills but also upholds the USI core values.
The Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology is a 4-year program that consists of general education and professional subjects. For the first 3 years, Vincentian Medical Technology students develop their laboratory skills within the USI campus. They study profession's principles and theory and apply them in performing laboratory skills. When they reach their 4th year, the students become Medical Technology Intern in an accredited training laboratory. With their accumulated knowledge, they will be working around various laboratory sections to learn new techniques and provide accurate laboratory results. When you graduate from this program, you will be more than ready to become a Vincentian registered medical technologist.
As an aspiring health worker, I was looking for an avenue where knowledge and skills were best offered, which continuously innovate to stay relevant as one of the best and leading universities in the Bicol region. Thankfully, I found Universidad de Santa Isabel. From the facilities to the instructors, they provide and allow us to indulge ourselves in honing our potentials and equipping us to be full-fledged medical technologists.
Life is an interplay of learning and experiencing its beauty, and I think USI have what it takes. Because of USI, we move forward.
Throughout the years, the USI's Medical Technology program never failed to produce compassionate healers, competent leaders, and responsible citizens equipped with utmost excellence in any endeavors. Being a future medical technologist, I am hoped not only to be skilled in the work field, but also as a congenial and disciplined individual ready to extend his hands for others. With its proficient clinical instructors, effective curriculum, extensive facilities, and conducive learning environment, I am confident that I can move forward and become a Vincentian Medical Technologist in pursuit of truth, knowledge, and humility.
We are inviting you to be part of the growing community of Vincentian Medical Laboratory Scientists. Together, we can do our part to serve the community and be socially responsive individuals, proving that our skills are as competent just as our hearts are compassionate.